Good morning.
Good morning.
And is starting our radio with information on the events of this week.
And we will all start in Miami and Pennsylvania, United States.
Then get the caller that he will give the information.
Hello everybody, on the 14th of March, a blizzard prevented thousands of flights, leading to the cancellation of class and administering those who ventured out through the stress with snow. About 15 million people from Pennsylvania to Maine faced a storm that intensified rapidly during the day. Northeast, some regions had up to 16 centimeters of snow on this Wednesday, and we went back to the studio.
Thanks, Kawa, and you are getting another message about a blizzard in Europe. Ryan, as you.
A wave of cold accompanied by strong storms in Europe caused the deaths of two women, one in Albania and another in France, and disturbed during the night of Thursday the electricity supply of hundreds of thousands of men. In total, time has killed more than 60 people since last weekend in Europe. 330,000 homes were left without electricity, said United the company that manages the distribution network. This is just the way it is here.
Thanks, Ryan. And people, we will finish here. More info the blog to know more about the blizzard that are happening